The Power of Execution, A Tale of Two Product Managers. Chapter 1, The Challenge Begins. At Pharma Tech Limited, two ambitious product managers, Sanjay and Ravi, sat across from their boss. Karim, a new blockbuster product was about to launch, and both were tasked with making it a market leader. This product can dominate the industry, but success depends on execution. Work with your teams, train them, and ensure doctors nationwide prescribe it. Make it a blockbuster. With equal resources and time, the challenge began. Chapter 2, Two Different Approaches. Both had the same opportunities but different approaches. Sanjay, execution-oriented, visited hospitals daily, training sales reps and engaging with doctors. Organized medical seminars, increasing doctor awareness. Motivated his team, setting clear goals and tracking progress. Followed up consistently, ensuring product adoption. A great product doesn't sell itself, it needs strong execution. Sanjay. Ravi, strategy without action. Focused only on planning, staying in the office. Assumed sales reps would perform without direct involvement. Skipped doctor engagement and seminars. Relied on reports instead of real-time fieldwork. A plan is worthless without action. Chapter 3, The Results Are In. After 1 month, both presented their results to the senior leadership. Sanjay's product excelled, doctors prescribed it widely, sales boomed. Ravi's numbers were weak, low doctor engagement, sluggish sales. Karim asked, why did one succeed while the other failed? Sanjay explained, success requires both strategy and execution. I trained my team, engaged doctors, and ensured follow-ups. Execution made the difference. Ravi admitted, I focused on planning but didn't execute well. Karim nodded. Execution turns strategy into success. Without action, even the best plan fails. Chapter 4, Rewards and Lessons Learned. For his outstanding performance, Sanjay was promoted to Senior Product Manager. Salary increase, upgraded company car, recognition from leadership. Ravi, though disappointed, learned a valuable lesson. Next time, I'll prioritize execution over just planning. Karim concluded, strategy is important, but execution is everything. Chapter 5, Sharing the Joy with his wife. That evening, Sanjay walked into his home. Beaming with excitement, his wife, sensing his joy, asked, you look happy, what's the news? Grinning, he held up a promotion letter and car keys. I did it, I've been promoted. And they upgraded my company car. His wife's eyes lit up as she hugged him. I'm so proud of you, I knew your hard work would pay off. As they sat for dinner, Sanjay reflected. I've learned that execution beats just making plans. It's what separates success from failure. She smiled, and that's why I always believed in you. Clinking their glasses, they celebrated the start of a new journey. Final thoughts and thank you to YouTube subscribers. This story reminds us, plan wisely but act decisively. Motivate and engage your team. Be present in the field, not just the office. Execution sets leaders apart. A big thank you to all our YouTube subscribers for your support.